Hello, I'm Siobos. Welcome to my channel, Learning Balance Life. Today we are going to talk about ionic bond formation. I am going to show two reactions which represents ionic bond formation. So let's begin. Our first reaction is in between magnesium and oxygen. Between magnesium, Mg, and oxygen, O, which ultimately leads to formation of magnesium oxide, whose formula is MgO. Now I am going to write the reaction. So here we can see that I have drawn the valence electrons of magnesium. It has an electronic configuration of 2A2, and oxygen has 6 valence electrons with an electronic configuration of 2,6. Here I have represented valence electrons of magnesium with crosses and valence electrons of oxygen with circles. Now, magnesium loses its pair of valence electrons, and oxygen gains this lost pair of valence electrons. As a result, after shifting or transfer of the electrons, we have Mg2 plus and O2 minus with electronic configurations of 2, 8. They have attained the octet configuration of neon. As a result, Mg2 plus cation and O2 minus anion are attracted by the electrostatic force of attraction. Electrostatic force of attraction. Ultimately, it leads to formation of an electrovalent or ionic bond. Electrovalent or ionic bond. As a whole, the unit Mg2 plus O2 minus is electrically neutral. Now you may take a look at this reaction. Here we go. We are moving on to our next reaction. Our next reaction is in between calcium and sulfur. Between calcium, Ca, and sulfur, S. Ultimately leading to formation of calcium sulfide, whose formula is CaS. Now I am going to write the reaction. So here, again, I have represented the valence electrons of calcium with two crosses. It has an electronic configuration of 2A2. And sulfur has 6 valence electrons, which I have represented with circles. It has an electronic configuration of 2A6. Now, calcium loses its pair of valence electrons, and sulfur over here gains this lost pair of valence electrons. After this transfer of the pair of valence electrons, the result is Ca2 plus and S2 minus with electronic configurations of 288. Both of them have attained the octet configuration of argon. As a result, Ca2 plus cation and S2 minus anion are attracted by the electrostatic force of attraction. The electrostatic force of attraction. Ultimately, it forms an electrovalent or ionic bond. Electrovalent or ionic bond. As a whole, the unit Ca2 plus S2 minus is electrically neutral. Now you may take a look at this reaction and see how ionic bond formation occurs. Here we go. Hope you enjoyed this episode, and please like, share, and subscribe my channel. And stay tuned for more episodes. Thank you.